In this video, we will be creating a REST API that will handle HTTP GET requests. And then later in the video, we will be using the built-in API tester to test the new API. Let's get started. Select GET from this list. Enter the path. Scroll down to the HTTP response section. We want this API to return a code of 200, so enter 200 as the response code and application JSON as the content type. And in the response body, the actual JSON that this API should be returning. So we'll enter that here. We're now ready to save the API. Click on this Publish API button. The API is now published. We are now ready to test the API. Press the Test API Endpoint button to launch the built-in API tester. All the request fields are already populated. The response will be displayed under the HTTP response section. To get the response, we need to press the Test API button. We'll go ahead and press the Test API button. And here is the response that we received from the server. The HTTP code is 200. Content type is application JSON. And in the response body, we can see the JSON. Our test is successful and it indicates that our API is ready to use.